What's up? I'm LubestheDude. Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be wrapping my hood in Christmas paper. So we have some masking tape, some packing tape, and last night I went to Walmart and I bought the cheapest roll of Christmas paper I could find. So and even though I detailed my car in last week's video, the hood's already dirty again. So we're gonna have to clean that off before we can stick anything to it. So let's do that real quick. Alright, now that I'm done with that, we can finally move on to getting this on there. So to start this off, I'm just going to take the whole roll across the top part and put it horizontally. That way I can move down here next and have it overlapping, so as the air moves over the car, it won't rip it up. So let's go ahead and get the first layer of Christmas paper on the car. So now we're just going to grab some masking tape and go ahead and tape off the bottom. That way it stays there. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Also, if you guys have any album recommendations that you want me to listen to while I'm working on my car, go ahead and drop that in the comments below, because I'm looking for new music to listen to. Thanks. I'm using masking tape with anything that comes in contact with the paint. That way when I take it off, it won't peel it up. So if you want to do this, make sure to use masking tape, not duct tape or anything else. That way your paint doesn't come off when you pull it up. So before I add the other half of the Christmas paper, I want to go ahead and wrap this up around the edges of the hood, make everything clean, because I think if I try to do it all together, it'll just be more of a headache. So I'm going to try and take care of that right now. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, and now that that's all done, it looks like crap. So I'm gonna go around and with the packing tape, I'm just gonna crease all this to make it hold tighter. It's not gonna look the best, but I think it'll still look good, especially from a distance. So I'm gonna use the packing tape because it's clear and go ahead and make this all flat, not loose like this. And yeah, I also gotta fix that little tear I did right there. Alright, so now that that's done for the most part, we're going to go ahead and move on to the front. And yeah, so same process. Let's just get into that. Alright, so I finally finished, and it doesn't look the best, but I love it. I love it so much. I think I could have done a little better. The front isn't actually too bad. It was a really easy spot, but up here towards the back, total mess, and I don't know how I could have fixed that. There's these bumps in my hood right here that totally get in the way of the wrapping paper, so it can't really lay flat. Anyway, that's it. If you liked today's video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you want to. Other than that, you can go check out my Instagram at LubestheDude, and yeah, I'll see you next time.